Have you ever wondered why some warriors grow sharper with each sunrise, while others remain dull, waiting for fortune to find them? Strength is not given in a single battle. It is forged, one choice, one act of discipline at a time. Every moment you rise when it would be easier to rest. Every time you train your mind when it wants to wander, you lay another piece of Beskar upon your spirit. The strong are not born different. They are simply forged differently. They improve faster than they complain. They move, while others wait for the perfect moment, because they know the perfect moment is now. Each dawn is a new forge. Waste it, and you lose more than a day. You lose momentum. You lose trust in your own strength. So if you seek to rise, to truly transform, you must train the forges within you. The first forge is your mindset. Your thoughts shape the metal of your life. If your mind is weak, even opportunity will feel like threat. But when your mind is strong, even challenge becomes ally. Each morning, your mind offers you two paths, comfort or growth. Comfort feels safe, but it dulls the blade. Growth hurts at first, but pain is the fire where greatness is born. Train your mind as an armorer trains their craft. Replace "I can't" with "I will." Speak belief into the silence until belief becomes instinct. The second forge is discipline. Motivation ignites the fire, but discipline keeps it burning when the night grows cold. Discipline is not punishment, it is honor. It is proof that you value your future more than your excuses. Every time you choose focus over distraction, your armor thickens. Every time you act with purpose, your path clears. Small acts, repeated daily, create power no weapon can match. The third forge is emotional control. A warrior who cannot calm their fire will burn their own village. Anger, fear, doubt. These are storms. You cannot stop them, but you can stand in them without losing your way. When chaos comes, pause. Reaction is noise. Response is mastery. Your calm becomes your strength when others fall to panic. And the last forge is belief. You cannot carry heavy armor with a weak spirit. The galaxy will doubt you, but your belief must outlast the doubt of 1,000 voices. Speak to yourself as you would to an ally. Forgive your errors, but never surrender your progress. Remember this, always. Transformation is not one moment of triumph. It is a decision renewed each dawn. When you master your mind, your discipline, your calm, and your belief, the world begins to move with you, not against you. Each day, the forge burns anew. Each day you choose what you will become. This is the way.